This is the Picanha. I got it at Walmart. It was $8.74 a pound. Don't worry about the expiration date. It was in the freezer for a while. I think we're still good. This is a 2.61 pound picanha. All right, we're gonna make this picanha. Follow me to the sink. We're gonna take it out of the package. All right, so I'm gonna cut it open in the sink. Okay, that's the fat cap. That's the meat. And I'm gonna take a paper towel and dry it off. I smell all my meats. If it has any funky odor at all, don't eat it. Trust your sense of smell. It smells good. Okay, and so that is picanha. This is 2.6 pounds. It's been sitting out at room temperature for about an hour. So we're gonna take the thermometer. This is a digital thermometer. And I'm gonna put it into the center from the side, the thickest part, which is like right here. And I'm gonna push it in about that far. All right, so the center of my meat is 56 degrees. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this on our Traeger grill and smoke it at 225 degrees until this says it reaches 115 degrees. Then we're gonna take it out and let it sit on the counter until it continues to cook to about 120, and then we're gonna slice into it and eat it. All right, we're gonna put the picanha on our Traeger grill. We have it over here because it might rain. We want it at 225, it's already at 259, so we're gonna lower it. Right on the center, like that. Put this out here. And as soon as it's 115 degrees, we'll take it out and let it sit until it's 120. All right, we're gonna take it out. It's around 114, 115. Looks like, look at that. Waiting for the thermometer, now that it's off of the Traeger grill, to reach 120. It's already gone up 2 degrees before we slice into it and eat it. This is what it looks like. Look at how the fat is translucent. Delicious. I can't wait. All right, we're gonna cut this puppy. It's at 123. I'm gonna pull it out. And the grain is going this way of the meat, so we're gonna cut it this way. So here we go. We let it sit for a good, what, 10 minutes? Mm-hmm. Leave it like that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That looks perfect. All right. I'm gonna take this middle piece here. Look at that, gorgeous. And I like to add more fat because I like the flavor of butter on my meat. Even though it has all this fat already on it. I'm gonna take a little bit of Redmond salt. Oh my God, tender, the most amazing flavor, picanha. Try it.